is it too much to ask for?
Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Kyla. Welcome back to my channel. Today I created a super simple, super easy peach makeup summer look for the yesstyle Summer Chill Out campaign. So they sent me a bunch of products to test out, and most of these products are guaranteed to last you longer than any other makeup products out there under the heat, under just too much sweating, or if you have oily skin, which I also have. And then so I'm also going to be teaching you some tips and tricks on how to make your base last longer. This makeup is just going to be super easy, super simple, and I'm so excited. I really had fun creating this makeup look, so if you are interested, please keep on watching and enjoy the rest of the video.
The number one secret for any long-lasting makeup is a good base. So we're starting our skincare with the Dear Klairs Fundamental Ampoule Mist to give our skin a little extra boost, So this will help hydrate the skin and set our makeup, and this by far is my favorite facial mist. Plus, it's also cruelty-free, so I definitely recommend this one. Next up, we have our sunscreen, and this one is also very important, especially if you're going to be under the sun for a couple of hours. Right now, I'm using the Purity Sun Essence SPF 50 plus PA++++ by Face Republic, and I usually apply about half a teaspoon for my face and neck. This has a really lightweight formula, which is why I love it so much, and it's also cool on the skin and it doesn't really leave a white cast. Then to really make my base as matte as possible, I'm using the Everblana First Step Primer on my face and neck. And for foundation, I'm using the 2AN Gleaming Tension Packed, which claims to have brightening and moisturizing benefits. What I love about this is that it feels so lightweight on the skin. It almost feels like a second skin. It's the perfect shade and it doesn't have any artificial fragrance, which is just everything that I love on a foundation. This comes with an applicator, so I'm just going to use that to dab the product all over my face, making sure that I'm not applying too much product on areas where I usually cake, like the sides of my nose where I get really oily. For powder, I use the W Lab W Air Drift Cover Powder Pack. For this one, you want to apply it using a brush, and you want to apply it in a certain motion as if you were filling up your pores. What's great about this powder is that the powder is very fine, so that it really allows you to set your pores and gives you that coverage that doesn't really clump even when layered. For my brows, I just use this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to define the hair and achieve a fuller brow look. I really love this hack because it saves me so much time and it actually does the job. Then for contour, we don't want anything crazy, just a little bit of here and there. I use the Everblana Sculpt and Strobe Stick, and I just apply that on my nose and then on my cheekbones and then a little bit on the jawline and then a little bit on the bottom lip. Then once that's done, I highlight using the Savannah Colors Dark Smoky palette. They have a translucent shade which I really love, so I take that and apply it on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, and then I just go over it with another highlight from that same palette for a brighter look. For my eyes, I use the Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray. I just take a light brown shade to cover the corners of my crease area, and then I used a deep orange on my lid, and I'm just going to go over that again with a brighter orange shade to kind of make the colors pop a little more. And then I'm just going to blend that all in. And then I am also bringing the orange on the bottom of my eyes. And so I also added this highlight to make, the eyes pop even more, because that's like the goal. And then to add some more summer feels, I use the Unleashia Let's Get Lit Glitter Gel Mini and Brush Kit. So I added a little bit of loose glitter gel on my lower lash line and then just all over my eyelids. Then I just curled my lashes before applying mascara. For mascara, I am using the Heroin Make Long and Curl Mascara. And then for blush, I'm taking my Glam Up Contour and Highlight Kit by Sassy Colors and just take the blusher and apply it all over my cheeks and then also maybe a little bit on the top of my nose as well. And then from that same palette, I'm going to be taking the highlight and apply it under my eyes, extending it towards the temple for a lift. And then I just take the blush again and apply a little bit on my chin and on top of my lips and just all over my face, but also not too much. Then going back to the eyes, I used the Neogen Extra Tinted Edge Liner to kind of just extend my eyes a little bit. We don't really want a crazy wing during the summer. For my lips, I just used my trusty Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 135 Globetrotter. I really love using this one because it always gives my lips that extra fuller look. Like, it does a really great job, so I've been constantly repurchasing it for a couple of years now. But anyway, this is the end of the makeup process, and now onto the final look.
Is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my lips on your skin, babe? Much to ask for? Yeah.
And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I've been trying to film this outro for so long now and I am sweating profusely, but you know what? The makeup is cool, guys. It's all chill out here. It's cool as free talaga, you know? So I really hope that this makeup look helped you guys, especially those of you who are just, you know, always under the heat of the sun, and you know, just for those of you who live in places where it's really, you know, humid and hot. All of these products are available on yesstyle, which will be linked down on the description box down below, so you might want to check that out. And you might want to use my code Kyla1717 on checkout to get an extra discount. You might also want to follow me on my Instagram, where I post a lot of stuff too and where I'm more active as of the moment. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!